Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick organize and clean of my apartment pantry, aka the cupboards that I put our food in. It gets so full and so messy so easily, so I thought I'd film and show you how I quickly organize it. So I'm going to start off by taking everything out, giving the cupboards and shelves a good wipe down, and just seeing what I can get rid of, expired, almost empty, combined, anything like that. I'm trying not to buy organization products or bins and things like that, and just kind of use what I have around the house. I'm going to use the Home and Planet multi-purpose spray and spray down all the shelves. Now, I think of myself as Spider-Man, but please do not attempt this at home because it is dangerous unless you think you're Spider-Man too. I already had this little mini shelf, so I'm just going to give it a good clean, and this is where I put more of my spices, putting the larger spice containers on the top, and everything that can fit underneath it, I'll put it there to save me some space. You'll see me move things around a lot, just trying to figure out what works best in terms of what we touch every day, what we have to bring down from the cabinet, for example, coffee, oatmeal, things like that. This second cabinet was a little bit difficult because I just had so many random things. I have a section for canned goods, spaghetti sauce, tea, and then as I go higher, it's more just overstock. So extra oatmeal, extra protein shakes, extra bottles of salad dressing. So I kind of just organized it on, again, what works best for us. I didn't bother taking everything down because I pretty much left it the same way as it was. This isn't a pantry, but this definitely needed some TLC. This always gets so messy after a couple months, so I thought I would give it a quick clean. I'm going to take everything out, give the floor a good scrub, and just again organize, see what I don't need. more functional than just a garbage cleaning supply cabinet. You'll also see me add the garbage can in here. I don't know why I didn't have the garbage can in here in the first place. It had its own cabinet, which I felt was just wasting so much space, so you'll see me put that in later, and you'll see what I did with the cabinet it came from. So this cabinet here is where I had the garbage can, so it was its own little space, and I guess before I was using the lid. Now we don't use the lid at all, so it can fit under the sink perfectly, and so I just gave myself twice the room, or 2 shelves, to put all my containers and Tupperware, and then underneath that's where I put the extra garbage bags. And what else did I put? Oh, I put a tray of all the lids to my Tupperware, so this is that designated spot, which makes me so happy. So this drawer used to be my Tupperware and container drawer with those 2 bins of granola bars. I honestly don't like the granola bars there, but that's where it is and it works for us for now. So now I'm going to make this kind of my pantry drawer. I put that bin with all the bread, the baby cereal, crackers, things like that there. It's a little bit easier to find, and it gives me a little bit more room in the cabinets. So the last thing that I'm going to do is put away the oranges, clear up the counter, and give the counter a good wipe down. Here is my pantry all done and organized. It's a lot more breathable. I can see everything, and even though there's no fancy storage bins or labels and unisex jars, you don't need to do that. Just keeping it clean and seeing what you have and organizing it that way makes all the difference in your day-to-day life. Thank you for organizing and cleaning with me, and if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button, check out my channel. I love cleaning, organization, motherhood, and lifestyle stuff, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!